inside a snowflake, like the one on your sleeve, there happened a story you must see to believe.
It's a date! It's an invitation! Come join the Whoville celebration!
Ring the bells of Whoville and cheer! The grandest of moments is almost here! Happy movement days are here! Now's the time for Whoop the Kids to Whoop with Christmas! We love Christmas more than
Good day. Happy holidays to you all. I'm the Mayor of Whoville. Welcome to our town, both the big and the small. As the Book of Who proclaims, we welcome all to join our grandest tradition. Who's over here? Who's out there? Who's from every which way and where? Welcome to the Whoville.
Trim up the tree with Christmas stuff, like bingo balls and goo-goo fluff. Trim up the town with goo-goo gums and mistletoe basins. And trim up the tree with mistletoe pinks and wands.
All right.
Mayor Mayhew, what is the meaning of Christmas?
Why, it's peasants' parties, too.
Mayor Mayhew, who is the Grinch?
You see, CindyLou, the Grinch is a who. Well, he's not really a who, he's actually more of a...
What?
Exactly.
You see, CindyLou, the Grinch hated Christmas, the whole Christmas season.
And now, please don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason.
It could be that his head wasn't screwed on quite right.
It could be, perhaps, that his shoes were too tight.
But we think the most likely reason of all may have been that his heart was 2 sizes too small.
Yes, the Who's here in Whoville liked Christmas a lot.
But Christmas has to be more than twinkling lights. It's the magic of giving that makes Christmas so right.
That's sweet, my little CindyLou. Now, off you go. Lots to do.
I got the Christmas tree, I got the memories, I got the box of decorations, I got the tinsel strung, the mistletoe's been hung, I got the means of celebration. I got the lights down low, the skies are dreaming snow, I got the Yule log burning bright, and by the Christmas tree I got you here with me, I got the perfect Christmas night, and by that Christmas tree I got you here with me, I got the perfect Christmas night. Merry Christmas.
The town of Whoville's proud to announce the winner of this year's humanitarian award. Now, we have someone very special to present the award. Little CindyLou, who...
As a representative of the town of Whoville, I am very proud to present this special 1000th Humanitarian Award to Mr. Grinch!
Well, hello, beautiful. Hey, DJ! Hit me with that bouncy C.
Mr. Grinch.
You're as cuddly as a cactus, and as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. Don't you
I believe I'm here to accept an award of some kind. And the child mentioned a check.
No, I didn't.
There is no check.
No check?
No check.
All right, fine. Then bring me the award while I'm beyond.
The town of Whoville proudly bestows upon you its highest honor.
Wait! He stole our Christmas.
What?
Prove it.
Well, what's in the bag?
Martha's brand new car.
All right, show 'em what's in the bag. Good times, good times.
All right, I confess. You got me. I hid it. I took it to Crumpet, and that's where I hid it. I'm rhyming. Am I rhyming? Yeah. I stole all your Christmas. You have me, it's true, but with these feelings inside, I brought it back to you. You guys, I'm rhyming still.
Can we just get back to Christmas the way it's supposed to be? Grinchless! Bring me the book!
Get the book! Get the book! Where's the book? Hurry with the book!
And I quote, "The term Grinchy shall apply when Christmas spirit is in short supply."
Well, yes. But the book also states, no matter how different a who may appear, they will always be welcome with holiday cheer. Mr. Grinch, you've shown us the true meaning, and nothing's been missed. And because of your deed, you deserve this. Your cheek is so...
Yeah, I know. Hairy,
No.
dirty, oily. Do I have a scent?
No.
Her.
Warm.
And what happened then? Well, in Whoville they say that the Grinches swore hard. Three sizes that day.
Who's that? Maxie! I'm feeling...
Looking around, he puzzled. And he puzzled some more. Then the Grinch thought of something he hadn't before.
Maybe Christmas
He thought,
doesn't come from a store. Maybe Christmas perhaps means a little bit more. Welcome Christmas! Bring your cheer! Cheer to all who's far and near. Christmas Day will always be just as long as we have we. Welcome Christmas while we stand, heart to heart and hand in hand.
As Mayor of Whoville, I hereby decree, let us light this stupendous, magnificent tree! Count with me, one and all, from 5 to 1, who's tall and slow. Are you ready?
We started! 95! 72! Here we go!
kidding me?
Oh, the humanity! Wait, double wait! I forgot one little bulb! And here we go! I did it! You did it! Almost let me restore you!
So the Grinch saved Christmas. And all through the town, all the rooms hidden room, watched the snow falling down.
Happy Revelation, one and all.
Hey, Mr. Mayor, no hard feelings?
Sure, why not?
Hello? Look out! Christmas tree, come on!
Max? What do you mean they're still here? Come on, people! The show's over! Everybody out! Max! Bring me my sedative!